Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to fix the SE error on the Samsung washing machine. So this is my Samsung washing machine and you can see this is the beep is because of this SE error. So SE means there is a blockage issue and the machine is not running. So you can see that, and this is the model number. You can see bubble wash. So this is the washing model and I will show you how you can fix that. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for this easy quick tips and tricks. So my machine is still showing this SE error. You can see that SE error mean drainage issue, and the machine is not running. So we have to first of all turn off the machine. So just turn off the machine. So my machine is off. So if you go down, so there is a, on the front right side there is a outlet. See this one, can you see that? This no, so you have to remove that. Take any sharp object and you just need to remove that. So just like this. So after that, so you need a container. So I will show you. So you put up something container, and you need a waste cloth also because there may be some water spill. So you can put up like this and like this, and this is the, you have to turn anti-clockwise. See this one. So any surplus water will come out if it is not drained properly because of the blockage. As you can see that. So you have taken this out, and as you can see this has some blockage. You can clean that with any kind of brush, and maybe you can clean anything from the inside also, just to see if there is any blockage. And then once it is done, so you can put it back and it will go, just put it inside like this and then turn clockwise, and once it is locked, then it is all good. Also another thing, you see this is another point for extra removal of the water, surplus water. So you can pull that on also. Once it is done, you can close the lid, and then you can turn on the machine, and then you can start that. See, I will be showing you. See, now machine is running. So there is no error. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.